teaching you how to make strawberry mango milkshake. For this recipe, you will need 1 tablespoon of white sugar. If you would like your milkshake to be a little more creamier, replace the sugar and add 1 scoop of ice cream. If you do not want to use sugar, you can replace it with 1 tablespoon of honey. About 1 cup of mangoes. About 1 cup of strawberries. 1 cup of milk. And then some ice cubes. In the blender, you will add ice cubes, mangoes, strawberries, sugar, and last, milk.